Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find a number such that when 7 by 3 of that number is multiplied by 3 by 14 of the same number, then the product is equals 8. So let the original or let the required number be x. So let the required number be x. Therefore, 7 by 3 of the number will be equal 7x upon 3, right? And also 3 by 14 of the number will be equals 3x upon 14. Now according to the question, the product of these two numbers, that is 1 and 2, will be equals 8. So 7x upon 3 multiplied by 3x upon 14 will be equals 8. 3 and 3 will cancel out each other, 7 will cancel out 14 and will produce 2. So x square will be equals 8 multiplied by 2. So these 2 in the denominator will shift to the right hand side in the numerator, which is equals 16. Or we can write x equals square root of 16, which is equals 4. Therefore, the original required number is 4. So this will be our final required answer, right? Also, we can have x equals minus 4. So this will also be our one of the answers, because if we put x equals 4, then positive multiplied by positive will result in a positive number, and again when x equals minus of 4, then the product of two negative numbers also result in a positive number. So both of these is satisfying the master equation, that is this equation. So both of them will be our required answer. That's it. Thank you.